Hey guys, welcome to the second episode of Amazing Gadgets. And in this episode, I'm pretty sure you are going to love the things that I'll be featuring. Now, again, I say this in basically every video, but everything that I feature in this video will also be included in the description down below. So if you want to pick it up, there's a link for that. It's super simple. Now, without talking too much, let's get this video started. Now, the first gadget that I will be showing is this monitor right here. It is the model 34GL750. That's right. I memorized that. I didn't for the last episode. Now, it's 34-inch, as the model suggests, curved, and it's compatible with both Windows and Mac. And not only that, it's also 144 Hz. Now, the accessories it came with, that's in the box, was a DP to DP cable, so that's DisplayPort to DisplayPort cable, a power delivery cable, the stand, and a user manual. That's everything it came with, nothing more and nothing less. So if you thought you had to buy your own cable, that is not the case. However, I did still use my own cables because, first of all, my Mac doesn't have a DisplayPort. And I knew that before buying this monitor. I could have gotten a USB-C monitor, but that would have been more expensive. So I had a USB-C to DisplayPort cable. It's around 2 meters long, which I did not need because they're literally side by side. And no, it is not 4K. Some of you asked in my previous video, that's around 4 months ago, of me unboxing this monitor, how I felt about it, that it's not 4K and stuff. I really don't mind it at all, and I'll be telling you why. So, it's not 4K, it's only Full HD, which means it is cheaper and more accessible. And it's also more friendly to your GPU to not have to support all of those pixels. So yeah, if you have a extremely powerful computer, then I guess go for it. Go for a 4K ultra wide monitor, but if you don't, it's gonna be better for your GPU overall. And also, I just really don't see a point in having a 4K ultra wide monitor that will be costing around $1,000. This only costed me around 650 Canadian dollars, so that would be around 450 USD, I think. So yeah, if you want to pick up this amazing monitor, there'll be a link in the description down below. And yeah, since that I've been using this monitor for exactly 4 months now, I have really enjoyed it. Like, every aspect of it is truly amazing, and the extra screen real estate has also allowed my productivity to increase tenfold. There's no doubt that it's worth every penny of the price. All in all, this is what I consider to be an amazing gadget. That's why it's on this list. Abrupt cutscene. Okay, so basically a lot of you have been asking me for another food review, so this segment of the video will be dedicated to food reviewing. Yes, so basically, in this video, I'll be featuring water. Water is great, it tastes great, it looks great. Actually, it looks crystal clear, which is great. And it's very nutritious, right? However, it is really addictive, so if you don't drink this substance, you will feel a sense of thirst after a while. This is a known side effect of drinking this amazing liquid. And not only that, everyone who has ever drank this liquid has died or will die sometimes. It's just facts. So drink at your own risk, but I do really like it. If you haven't tried it yet, you should. Oh yeah, it's awesome. Alright, sorry, just return back to the video. Now, next, AirPods Pro. I have it right here. These are the AirPods Pros with a custom skin. I featured this in a few videos now. The custom skin, I know it looks like duct tape. A lot of people ask if it's duct tape. No, it's not duct tape, alright? Just don't make fun of it. And the reason why it's in this video is because of, one, it has active noise cancellation. So if you don't already know what that is, it's basically that it produces an anti-noise of sorts as Apple calls it, which allows you to separate yourself from the environment and basically create absolute silence around you. So when you're wearing this, you basically can't hear anything else. If you live in a dorm with a roommate or something, and they're blasting music, you just put on the AirPods Pros and activate noise cancellation. All of the noise just disappears. And second, it has transparency mode. So it hears the outside environment and transfers it into your ear, which allows you to hear everything, essentially the opposite of noise cancellation. And this is especially useful when, for example, you're biking or doing other activities, so that you can actually be aware of the environment around you. When you're biking, especially, and listening to music, you still need to make sure that there's no cars around you when you're turning, and you just want to not run into anything. So transparency mode is really beneficial in this case. And third, as a customizable silicone tip. So if you didn't know, you can take off the silicone tips on the AirPods Pros. For example, if your ear canal is smaller or bigger than the average size, which a lot of people are, don't get me wrong, I'm not shaming anyone's ears, you can just swap out the size of the silicone tip. And unlike the original AirPods Non-Pro, which is a universal fit, this is a customizable fit. So it might fit you better than before, or it might mean you have to swap out the tips. But it's really not that annoying to do. You don't have to do it once unless you share your AirPods, which I don't know why you would do that. And yeah, it has really good audio, which is the fourth point I'm giving. So in my personal opinion, it does sound much better than the original AirPods. I did not have the AirPods 2s, but yeah, compared to the original AirPods, it sounds so much better. It also has wireless charging for convenience. Like this right here, I'm just putting it onto my wireless charging light, and it's charging right here. It's super simple, super convenient. Just put it there, and bam, it's charging. And finally, it has the H1 chip. So the H1 chip allows you to just pair this with your phone, your iPhone, iPad, Macs, MacBooks, everything. It's like my Beats right here. I'll just grab it for you. This has the W1 chip inside it, which is essentially the the W stands for wireless, I'm pretty sure. So this is the wireless chip, and the AirPods has the H1 chip, which stands for headphones. Yeah, the H1 chip is better than the W1 though. Better connectivity, everything. So everything combined, I truly think this product makes a strong contestant for this list and this video. That's why I'm featuring it. And finally, a tripod. I'm actually using a tripod right here. What can I don't have a mirror. Oh, okay, just take my word for it. That's a tripod that you're on right now. That's not really tech, so I'll just be really brief on this one. It's stable, compact, and it's adjustable in every angle. I basically utilize it every day, and not just for recording videos, but obviously that's one thing you can do with it. It is a possible implication. Others would be like, you can prop up your phone, put it outside, record YouTube video. No. Yeah, it's a tripod. Just do anything you would with a tripod. Or maybe just step up your selfie games, like not even holding your phone, just dab. So these are the three things that I'm featuring. Again, if you want to buy, for example, this monitor, this pair of AirPods, or just the tripod itself, you can click on the links in the description down below. And I'll just say the prices again. The monitor costs around 450 USD. AirPods Pro costs 329 Canadian dollars, or around 250 USD. It's really not that bad for a pair of earpods that are wireless and this good. And finally, the tripod costs 40 Canadian or 25 USD. I hope this video has helped in any way possible. If you enjoyed this, be sure to, leave a like, subscribe, or just click something on the screen right now. Your viewing is really appreciated, and I would love it if you could check out more of my videos. Alright, that's it. I'll see you guys next time.